Students, myself Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Nyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 3 Chapter 3 Water of Water. Students, you all know that we need water to drink. Animals also need water and plants also need water. So all living beings need water. Water is essential for all living beings. Life is not possible without water. Students, do you know what are the different forms of water? Water is available in different forms. The solid form of water is ice and snow, right? And which is the liquid form of water? The liquid form of water is the water which we drink. And the gaseous forms of water are water vapor and steam. So these are the different forms of water, right? Students, we use water for different purposes. See, in this picture you can see the uses of water. Water is used for drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, watering plants. What else? Water is also used for washing clothes, for washing utensils. Farmers use water to water their crops. Water is used for mopping the floor. There are so many different uses of water, right? So water is very essential for us. Life is not possible without water. Students, from where does the water come from? What are the different sources of water? The main source of water is rain, right? The rainwater, it gets filled up into rivers, ponds, oceans, seas, right? See, in this picture you can see the different forms of water. These are the these are the different sources of water. The natural sources of water are ponds, oceans, lakes, streams, rivers, right? And in this picture you can see the sources of water which are made by man. Okay, here is a picture of a well and a tube well, right? The rainwater, it seeps into the ground and gets stored underground in the water table, right? Under the ground there is a water table. The rainwater is stored there, and we can make it available to us by digging wells and tube wells, right? So here is a picture of a well and a tube well. These are the underground sources of water. Students, where do you store water in your house? We use different containers to store water. Here are the different containers: matka, bucket, then there is a water container with tap, jug, water bottle. What else? So many different containers are used to store water, right? Water is also stored in big water tanks. On big buildings, above the buildings, there are big water tanks and water is stored in it, right? And in this way, we store water to use it for our different purposes, right? Students, do you know what is water pollution? Look at this picture. What do you see here? You see that the water is dirty. Why it is dirty? It is dirty because of this human activities, different human activities. Human beings, they throw their garbage, used water bottles, and whatever the things which they don't want, unwanted things are thrown into water. And because of this, the water bodies get dirty. The water bodies become dirty due to the human activities. This is water pollution, right? See, here are some more pictures of water pollution. In the first picture you can see the water is polluted due to factory wastes. Factories, they throw the waste products. The waste products are thrown into water bodies, and because of that the water gets polluted. Some people wash their animals in water. They also wash their vehicles in water, right? Because of this the water becomes dirty. And what are the harmful effects of water pollution? Due to water pollution, the water animals like fishes get killed, and even the water plants, they also die due to water pollution. So, and it also makes the environment dirty. right? So we should avoid water pollution. We should take care that the water is not polluted. What are the different methods by which we can keep the water clean? What can we do? We should not throw the waste products, garbage into the water bodies. We should keep our water bodies clean. This will make the environment clean, right? Students, you must have heard about the word shortage of water. Why there is shortage of water on the earth? When we look at the picture of the earth, we see that most of the earth, that is 71% of the earth, is covered with water and only 29% is land. Right? In spite of so much of water, we have shortage of water. Why does this happen? This happens because of the total available water, only 3% of water is fresh water, that is the water which we can use, and the rest of the water is present in the oceans and seas. It is salty water. It contains a lot of salt and we cannot use the salty water, right? So the water which is available, it should be used judiciously. It should be used carefully, right? So that we don't face the problems like water shortage, scarcity of water. Students, do you know there are some methods by which we can save water? Like while taking a bath, instead of using a shower, you can use a bucket and a mug. This will save a lot of water, right? What are the other methods? Like if you see a tap is leaking, then you should get it repaired immediately. If you see that there is a tap running, go and close it immediately, right? What else? While brushing your teeth, you should not keep the tap running. You should brush your teeth. While brushing your teeth, keep the tap closed, right? What else? If there are some tanks, leaking tanks, you should get them repaired immediately. And for watering the plants, you can use cans. Okay, this will help to save a lot of water. Okay, students. So in this way, we can save water. Have you understood this lesson? Read the lesson and practice reading. Thank you.